First off, we're going to launch TradingView. For this demo, we'll be checking out the 15-minute Ethereum chart, but feel free to apply this strategy to whatever trading pair or time frame you prefer. One of the great things about this approach is its flexibility and effectiveness across different market scenarios. Now, let's introduce you to an indicator called the T3MA Ribbon, which is fantastic for our scalping strategy. Here's a quick guide on how to add it to your TradingView chart. Step 1, locate the Indicators button on the toolbar at the top of your TradingView chart. Step 2, click on it to open the search bar for adding indicators. Step 3, type T3MA Ribbon into the search bar. Step 4, once you find the indicator in the search results, simply click on it and add it to the chart. Now that you've successfully added the indicator, let's customize its settings to suit our scalping strategy. Here's how. Click on the gear icon located next to the indicator's name. This will open the settings menu. Within the settings menu, navigate to the input tab. Adjust the parameters as follows. Set the fast T3MA length to 21. Adjust the fast T3 volume factor to 0.7. Change the slow T3MA length 90. Set the slow T3 volume factor to 0.7 and ensure to enable the show color trend bars option. Once you've made these adjustments, click on the OK button to save your customized settings for the T3MA Ribbon indicator. The T3MA Ribbon indicator is incredibly valuable for our scalping strategy because it makes identifying trend directions a breeze. Here's a simple breakdown of how to interpret its signals. If the price is above the green ribbon, it indicates an uptrend, signaling that the market is experiencing upward momentum and you should be on the lookout for buy opportunities. Conversely, if the price is below the red ribbon, it points to a downtrend, suggesting that selling opportunities may be more favorable as the market exhibits downward momentum. Lastly, if the price is within the ribbon or the ribbon appears tight, causing the price to rapidly move above or below it, this indicates a sideways or ranging market condition. In such situations, it's best to exercise caution as the absence of a clear trend makes it more challenging to predict price movements. Now that we've discussed the significance of the T3MA Ribbon indicator, let's move on to the second tool to maximize the strategy's accuracy. But before we do, let me remind you that here at Income Nomad, we're all about bringing you effective trading strategies that won't cost you a dime. We believe in using free indicators so everyone can participate and succeed in the world of trading. If you appreciate our approach, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more game-changing strategies. Now, back to our current strategy. Here's how to add it to your chart. Click the Indicators button on the TradingView top toolbar. Type histogram ATR-SMA by this amazing scripter in the search bar. Select the indicator from the search results and click on it to add it to the chart. This indicator is incredibly helpful for finding the best entry points for both long and short trades. Now that you've added the histogram ATR indicator, let's walk you through adjusting its settings to optimize it for our scalping strategy. All right, now let's dive into how to execute buy trades using the combination of the T3MA Ribbon and histogram ATR-SMA indicator. Verify that the price is trading above the green ribbon of the T3MA Ribbon indicator, signaling an overall uptrend. Wait for the price to temporarily move inside the green ribbon, indicating a pause in upward momentum. Observe a breakout as the price moves back above the green ribbon, showing a continuation of the uptrend. Ensure that the histogram ATR-SMA is above the 0 level, confirming bullish momentum in the market. Once all conditions are met, confidently enter a buy position. For managing risk, set a stop loss at either the lower band of the green ribbon or the most recent swing low in the market. To take profits, consider setting a target 1.5 times the risk of your trade, capturing a significant portion of the price move while maintaining a favorable risk-reward ratio. Now let's dive into how to execute short trades using the combination of the T3MA Ribbon and histogram ATR-SMA indicator. Verify that the price is trading below the red ribbon of the T3MA Ribbon indicator, signaling an overall downtrend. Wait for the price to temporarily move inside the red ribbon, indicating a pause in downward momentum. Observe a breakout as the price moves back below the red ribbon, showing a continuation of the downtrend. Ensure that the histogram ATR-SMA is below the zero level, confirming bearish momentum in the market. Once all conditions are met, confidently enter a short position. For managing risk, set a stop loss at either the upper band of the red ribbon or the most recent swing high in the market. To take profits, consider setting a target 1.5 times the risk of your trade, capturing a significant portion of the price move while maintaining a favorable risk-reward ratio. And if you're looking for more ways to elevate your trading game, don't miss our next video featuring a winning strategy designed to help you master markets and unlock the secrets to consistent profitability. Watch now and take your trading to new heights.